Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is isang doji candle. Kung makikita natin below average yung volume, so meaning undecided na yung market. And yung nangyayari, currently yung volume is pahina na ng pahina. So meaning umihina na ng umihina yung buyers dito. So, tingnan natin yung mga possible scenario kay BTC. First is possible magkaroon ng liquidation still above here. But for higher probability, para makonsider natin as legit yung magiging breakout ni BTC sa resistance na to, is after niya magkaroon ng candle above here, let's wait sa pullback for higher probability and we can check that sa lower time frame. And yun nga, so currently, yung BTC is still nasa uptrend pa rin tayo, approaching resistance area na. Wala pa rin tayong candle na nag-break above here. So let's wait for a candle to break at least 50% of the body para makonsider natin as legit yung breakout sa BTC.